Hello, myself Nancy Seller from Srimati LP Sahani Vidya Bhavan Narajan Surat. Today again I am back with the chapter number 5 Introduction to Internet class 4 part 3. First is web page. The individual page that collectively form the World Wide Web are known as web pages. What is the definition of web pages? The individual page that collectively form the World Wide Web are known as web pages. These pages contain text, graphic, audio, video, and link to other pages. This page may contain text often underlined or colored or a small icon called image. Such a text image when is clicked open another page of information. The link connecting one page to another is known as hyperlink. What is the definition of hyperlink? The link connecting from one page to another is known as hyperlink. Thus the hyperlink allows you to move from one web page to another web page with the related information. When the mouse pointer moved over a hyperlink image or a text, the pointer changed to a hand symbol. A website. A website is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together, a system of a hyperlink. A website is similar to a magazine. You can move from one page to another on a website using hyperlinks, just like you flip through the page of a magazine. Moving from one website to another is called net surfing. What is net surfing? Moving from one website to another is called net surfing. Web address. Web address is the address or a location of a website on the internet. All the web addresses start with the HTTP, either HTTP. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTPS. Notice the S which stand for secure. You will find such an address in a bank website or an e-commerce website in which money is involved. Website. Some addresses of interesting websites are www.google.com, www.kidsy.com, http www.discovery.com, http carddetails.com. To visit a website, type the address of a website in the address bar and then press enter. Every file on the internet has a unique address. There are two types of internet addressing: number addressing and letter addressing. First, we will study about number addressing. In the number addressing system, the address is a numeric address called Internet Protocol IP address. It is made up of four numbers in the range of 0 to 255, means 255, joined together by the periods of dots. For example, 119.12, 148.73, and 131.58.97.254. These are the example, just an example. Letter addressing system. The letter addressing system is also called domain name system. What is the full form of DNS? Domain name system. It is technically anonymous with the URL. In the letter addressing system, the address consists of the letter of a alphabet. For example, cbse.nic.in, hotmail.com. The addresses are also called domain names. Letter addressing. The last three letters of the domain name are important because they provide information about the kind of organization to which the address belongs. The letter addressing system also use the two-letter country codes. Some examples are given here below. Com means commercial organization. Education, EDU. Government, Department, GOV. Canada, CA. Switzerland, CH. Germany, DE. Home page. Every website has a main page. The first page which appears when you open a website, that is called the home page. A search engines. Now next is search engines. A search engine is a program which looks like a desired information on the internet. It is often provided to the user through the web pages. It makes it easier to find the information you want on the internet. Let us say you want to know about to make a India project. To type in make in India project in Google search box, you will get the list of information. Many variety of information you will get when you write anything in your search box. Service on the internet. Internet acts as a medium to connect computer. This computer can provide service to the other on the internet. A large number of services are currently offered on the internet. Few are discussed here. And email. Email, what is the full form of email? Email means electronic message sent from one computer to another, which can include text, picture or a sound. With the internet, this whole process just take in few seconds. Email service on the internet. Many service providers offer email accounts free of charge. Some of the websites that are offered this service are as follows: www.outlook, www.yahoomail.com, www.rediffmail.com, www.gmail.com. Rest of the chapter we will continue in the next part. Thank you.